Here she is, finished object of the week. Sorry, I have to film this on my phone because I wanted to film outside and my camera died. Battery pack, change battery pack, it says. So we're filming on the phone. This is this week's project, and it is the Night Lights Shawl by Andrea Mowry. I'll insert a picture here as well that I took. And yeah, I have used the wicked yarn that we dyed. I will link that here as well. And I have combined it with some superwash merino, baby merino. Oh god, what is it? Well, black yarn in the same type of yarn. So yeah, really like this. Had to pause for a second. Someone was walking just right behind me. Can't they see I'm filming? No, just kidding. So just enjoying some fresh air. It's actually snowing a little bit today, and you know, what better time to show off your most recent project. Really like how this came out. It was an easy knit, relatively fast, kind of addictive actually, so yeah, highly recommend. I gotta stop filming now. People are walking behind me all the time here now, and my glasses keep fogging up so I can't see anything. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap this up real quick. Again, it's the Night Lights Shawl by Andrea Mowry, knit in, amongst other yarns, the wicked colorway that we dyed some time ago, combined with some black. And that's it. That's all I did. I haven't added anything else. So yeah, I'm gonna continue my walk now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.